From God's promises. God promised throughout the Old Testament that he would send Christ into the world.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
To give us an
To give us the idea of a perfect holy
example.
To give us an example of a holy life. Christ is the only perfect example. It's the only example we have of a perfect holy life.
Mm-hmm. And Christ's example is the one.
Oh, that we should imitate. Ultimately imitate.
Mm-hmm.
To, and then the next one is to destroy
The works.
of the devil.
Yep.
Christ resisted the temptation of Satan.
Christ overcame, yeah. Okay.
And then as the other one, is there only one other one? Oh,
Mm-hmm.
no.
Christ
He exercised dominion over the demonic powers, and his ultimate victory
Mm-hmm.
over Satan was his death and resurrection.
Nice job.
Are you filming that? Like, are you kidding me right now? Your eyebrows twitch when you laugh.